Welcome to Vskills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the top interview questions for manufacturing technology. So, let's get started. Question number 1. What is IoT for manufacturing technology management? The answer is, it stands for Industrial Internet of Things. It is a way to digital transformation in manufacturing. Industrial IoT employs a network of sensors to collect critical production data and uses cloud software to turn this data into valuable insights about the efficiency of manufacturing operations. Question number 2. What do you understand by AMRS? The answer is, the term AMR stands for an autonomous mobile robot, which is actually a robot that can move through its environment without human intervention or supervision. They travel over a specific predetermined path with the help of special sensors which aid in the movement of AMRs. The sensors sense the environment and provide inputs to the AMR for deciding its path and movement. Question number 3. What do you think of cobots? The answer is, cobots are a term that expands to collaborative robots and refers to robots that share a workspace with humans to automate specific tasks instead of automating all the tasks being performed by the humans. Collaborative robots are a developing new age technology that has hastened robot adaptation across the industry. Cobots have inbuilt safety to prevent any untoward incident. Question number 4. Describe numerical control. The answer is, numerical control is a technology for controlling machines by using numerical codes. Machines like machining tools and other types of equipment can be controlled remotely using computer numerical control or CNC. A CNC machine inputs a coded programming instruction, usually as a specific language which it supports, and without requiring human intervention, it processes the provided material as per instructions in the program. Numerical control makes the process of controlling and directing the equipment completely automated, as the machine is now managed under the provided program. New age processes like laser cutting and additive manufacturing completely rely on numerical control. Question number 5. What is big data? The answer is, big data, as per its name, refers to the bigness or huge nature of data. It refers to the humongous data which is unstructured and can also be structured or mixed, needs to be captured, stored and processed for generating information. Big data can be social media posts, images, video or audio, etc. In manufacturing, big data is usually the data sent by sensors or IoT components attached to physical equipments and are used to monitor or control the device for efficiency and effectiveness. Question number 6. What do you understand by additive manufacturing? The answer is, additive manufacturing refers to the manufacturing technique of producing a product by adding individual layers to form the product. It is also called 3D printing. The process of producing the product or addition is controlled by computers, and the three-dimensional objects are created by a multitude of materials. It makes use of computer-aided design or 3D object scanners to chart out the product to produce. It does not involve any machining or other production techniques to be applied and produces no wastage. Question number 7. What is meant by augmented reality? The answer is, augmented reality expands to augmented reality technology, which refers to showing digital content onto the real world by superimposing data or digital content onto physical elements or objects. In the manufacturing or production domain, the AR technology is used extensively for overlaying text or data about equipment without even touching it, hence, virtually the health or data about the equipment can be monitored. Question number 8. How you maintain discipline in the manufacturing technology management team? The answer is, discipline is the foremost element in having a productive environment in the team, and I maintain discipline by making every team member aware of the HR rules and regulations and regulatory laws in place for the same. If in case disciplinary actions are to be taken, it is taken in private with the employee to provide him with the chance to correct himself and prevent a hostile work environment. Question number 9. What tasks should be performed by a manufacturing technology manager? The answer is, a manufacturing technology manager is responsible to manage the present technological environment and facilities of the company, but also provide a roadmap for managing the technologies and adapting to newer technologies. Manufacturing technology management makes efforts to have efficient and effective manufacturing technologies in use by the company to not only maximize revenue and profits but also achieve the organizational goals as per the specified KPIs, key performance indicators. Question number 10. Describe Kanban. The answer is, Kanban refers to quality improvement methodology, which is also applied as a managerial technique to define, manage and improve the quality level of the product or services being rendered. Kanban focuses on providing real-time updates and feedback about the capacity of work in the system with complete transparency. A Kanban board is used to depict visually the state of work items of the process, thus stakeholders can see the progress or state of work items in the whole process. Question number 11. What do you mean by DCR? The answer is DCR expands to document change request, which refers to a change request type that enlists the changes to be made to an important document of reference which is under versioning. The document usually is a document for standard operations, procedures, instructions for a process or technique. The DCR is the first step in a change to be made in a process by starting the change process, after which requisite feasibility of change is ascertained by discussion. After discussion, approval is provided if feasible or the change is acceptable to all, and then the DCR is released, which results in the issuance of a DCO, document change order. DCO implements the changes as listed in the DCR. Question number 12. What is artificial intelligence? The answer is artificial intelligence, as per the name, refers to the intelligence of humans to be digitized or simulated by computing machines. The machines are programmed similar to a human and they perform actions as humans do for solving a problem. The machines can exhibit learning and problem solving as that done by a human mind. The benefit of artificial intelligence is the ease of configuring machines to solve newer and more complex problems, scalability being offered for problem resolution. Question number 13. How you keep yourself updated on new trends in manufacturing technology management? The answer is manufacturing technology management is a field with constant changes and the addition of newer manufacturing technologies, for which I attend industry seminars, conferences as available online or offline. Question number 14. What do you understand by cognitive computing? The answer is cognitive computing is a new domain of computing that focuses on designing and developing computer-based models which simulate a human brain for processing data and making decisions in a complex environment. It involves various usages of multiple domains, which includes neural networks, machine learning, artificial intelligence, NLP or natural language processing, sentiment analysis and contextual awareness. The main benefit of cognitive computing is the scalability it offers at a lower cost in processing or resolving complex problems. Question number 15. What is meant by sustainability? The answer is sustainability refers to the concept of maintaining balance amongst various elements of environment, organization and economy. Sustainability focuses on profits, the planet, and people, or 3Ps, which translate to sustaining economic, environmental, and social aspects of the business so that the companies can reduce waste, invest in renewable energy and support a sustainable future. Question number 16. What do you understand by connected supply chain? The answer is a connected supply chain refers to the connectedness in the multiple components of a supply chain so that it functions as a single unit and is tightly integrated in terms of data exchange and there are no disparate systems. All partner systems and networks are integrated for the end-to-end flow of information to provide an integrated view of suppliers, dealers, manufacturers, logistics partners, and customers, thus providing benefits to all components of the supply chain. Question number 17. What will you do for underperformance by your subordinates in your manufacturing technology management team? The answer is underperformance has a basis that needs to be identified first. Also, as subordinates may be not well experienced, their feedback helps in the resolution of underperformance. Quick and effective action will arrest the underperformance spreading. Question number 18. What do you understand by embedded metrology? The answer is embedded metrology, as per the term, refers to the embedding of the metrology and metrological equipment in the production line in itself and avoiding a separate quality check or department which uses metrological equipment for quality checks. Embedded metrology measures components within the production line with less human interference and is also more accurate. It is an automated system that has integrated measuring and monitoring technology for quality control at the time of manufacture to make the manufacturing quicker, cheaper and more efficient. Question number 19. Describe cloud computing. The answer is cloud computing refers to making available computing services over the Internet. The computing services include the availability, provisioning and usage of servers, storage, networking, software, analytics, and database. The main benefit of cloud computing is that it offers payments as per usage without capital expenditures to be made. Question number 20. What is meant by industrial wearables? The answer is: industrial wearable is devices usually as being worn by operators for controlling or manipulating the physical machines or for receiving the details on the machine. They are also worn by supervisors or managers to know the production being done or for diagnostics if any error is encountered. These devices collect real-time data about the activities of the machine and can also be used to alert for any issues. Question number 21. What is meant by light-based manufacture? The answer is: light-based manufacture is a recent phenomenon and refers to a light-based manipulation platform that is used to produce electronic components. The light-based manufacturing system makes use of optical traps and devices for manipulating small objects in liquid by light. Due to smaller sizes of electronic components and advancements that will make them smaller, a light-based manufacturing system enables mass production of electronic parts cheaply and quickly. Question number 22. Explain predictive maintenance. The answer is: predictive maintenance is a type of maintenance that involves processing data about equipment to assess its present state and predict the likelihood of any failure or issue that may crop up in future. This maintenance type is data-driven and proactive in nature as it triggers action before a failure may occur, thus preventing downtime by constant monitoring of the equipment. Question number 23. Explain cybersecurity. The answer is: cybersecurity refers to the security being provided to cyber or internet-based resources. Cybersecurity involves protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks mostly emanating from the internet. The attacks can access, modify or delete sensitive information and may also involve extorting money by using ransomware or may result in disruption of normal business processes. Question number 24. Describe VR. The answer is: VR stands for virtual reality and refers to a simulated environment that is generated by computers having realistic appeal with scenes and objects as in real life. The user feels like being in the real world. Usually, VR may involve using of specialized equipment by the end user like a virtual reality headset or helmet. The VR environment has a realistic feeling experience and is used for training or playing games. The software can be configured to provide a specific experience to the user, and with the help of hardware, a realistic environment is simulated. Question number 25. What is meant by mixed model assembly lines? The answer is: mixed model assembly lines, as the name suggests, refers to assembly lines that are not specific to a single product but can be easily configured to produce different product variants or different products having several commonalities. The mixed model assembly lines can easily produce different models or variants of the product with ease. These lines help address the specific needs of the customer and a highly customized product is delivered to the customer. It also enables ease in implementation of just-in-time and balanced production. Question number 26. What is BOM? The answer is: BOM stands for the Bill of Materials and refers to a list that contains the details of raw materials, parts, and instructions required for the development or manufacture, or repair of a product or service. BOM is usually a tree-like shape and in a hierarchical format in which the highest level shows the finished product and below levels are the components or component grouping forming it, with the last level showing the individual components and materials. Question number 27. What do you think of IIoT? The answer is: IIoT stands for the Industrial Internet of Things and refers to the usage of smart sensors and actuators for making manufacturing and industrial processes more efficient and effective. The term IIoT is also called the Industrial Internet or Industry 4.0. It's sensors for recording data and smart machines to collate and organize and send data for analytics. The major benefit of IIoT being quick and flawless production with better efficiency. Inefficiencies and problems are easily identified and addressed. IIoT also enables companies to implement sustainable practices, have access to supply chain traceability along with predictive maintenance, enhanced customer service. Question number 28. What do you understand by CPS? The answer is: CPS expands to cyber-physical systems and it refers to the integrations of computing, networking, and physical devices with sensors to derive productivity and efficiency without affecting the quality. The physical devices are monitored and controlled by embedded systems by using feedback loops. Hence, CPS is the new age technology to integrate the physical devices with sensors and actuators, which makes them controllable by software and accessible across the globe by networking. Question number 29. What is smart manufacturing? The answer is: Smart manufacturing refers to a manufacturing system that has been completely integrated with other systems and is collaborative with other systems of the organization so that it quickly responds in real time to the changing demands of the customer. It makes the manufacturing system more demand-driven and customer-centric. It is also related to Industry 4.0 for the fourth industrial revolution. Question number 30. Explain smart factories. The answer is: the smart factory refers to a technology-driven concept for digitizing the functions and processes in a factory so that it can respond quickly and efficiently to customer demand. It connects physical devices with digital connections to monitor and control the complete process of production from anywhere. It integrates the supply chain of manufacturing tools and machines to individual operators on the shop floor. It facilitates automation and self-optimization to offer more efficient and quality output. It impacts all aspects of the company including planning, supply chain, and product development. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.